Good afternoon, tie-dye family. This tank top has been folded using sleeve and sleeve. It is 100% cotton. It has been washed to remove the sizing, soaked in soda ash, spun out on the spin cycle of my wash machine, and is ready to fold. I'm going to attempt to do a spiral that some people call spiders. Mr. Tie-Dye shows this really well. If you haven't checked him out, you should do so. He's really good at it. This particular one, I'm going to try and do what they call a fireworks. My last firework didn't turn out very well. So I'm going to try and do it again. And do a better job this time. So I'm working really hard on the spiral and the location of the spiral and the height of my ridges, which will determine where the highlights go that will make it appear to be a fireworks. Gather that plate in. Hold your center and keep spiraling. My ridges are getting too high over here, so I've got to straighten that out a little and flatten those ridges out a little along with those ridges. Ridges are getting big again. All right, at least it's going in this time. Whew, boy, this has been a struggle and a fight. Alright, Mr. Tie-Dye calls this a spider tank, and it's a version of that because it is going to be a fireworks. Slide your rubber bands on, hold your work in place, make sure they're nice and secure. So these green ones that I just got from Hobby Lobby are pretty good size for spirals. I like the way they are fitting my projects so far. I just began using them today. So let's hope they don't stretch out too quickly. That's been my only complaint about some of the rubber bands, is that they stretch out too quickly, and then they're really not as usable. Alright, so this is the back side of my shirt. Notice that the spiral on the other side is flatter and better, so hopefully it will dye well. Off to the dye table. I'm only going to use heavy water to block dye in two places on this one. excess off of the bottom. And do the other side. And the same pie pieces. Notice I'm not putting it in the middle. You don't want it everywhere. This blocks your die. I do want color in the middle of my firework. Alright, got the sodium alginate on. Right, I have sodium alginate in two places across from each other. And next I'm going to use fire red. I also have navy blue. These are both Dharma colors, navy blue and fire red. That's what you call striping. When you put dye on top of your sodium alginate, it doesn't go very far, and that's going to leave us a stripe. Now, I'm going to wipe the bottom of my container and do the other side. Navy blue, fire red, both Dharma colors. I think I just took my center over with blue. Yeah, better get some red in there. At least have purple, right? Alright, now she's ready to set for a couple of days. We'll come back and see what comes out.